super foodies and welcome back to Cooking with Angeli. It's actually Valentine's Day and I'm doing this with my fiance over FaceTime. Today we are making a super special treat. We're making this Franco Manca pizza kit. Let's just get started. The kits arrived in these boxes. The instructions say to remove the dough from the fridge 2 hours before and to use it when bubbles start to form inside, which has actually started to happen now. I'm just going to get all the ingredients out now. Cheese, dough, sauce, flour, olive oil, pepperoni, can't speak, and I've forgotten to take 2 doughs out. So I'm just going to keep those aside. My fiance ordered this and he ordered 1 kit with 2 pepperoni pizzas and another kit with 2 margarita pizzas. There's no instruction. You're distracting me. Found the instruction leaflet. You can unmute now. So I've just preheated the oven to the highest, preheat the grill to the highest setting, which for me is 280 degrees. Press the dough to make a 10-inch pizza base. It's stuck. Camera's not on. How'd you leave it just running around with this stuck to my hand? There is actually a video for this available online, which you guys can check out. I think I'm done. It's quite therapeutic. Preheat a non-stick frying pan, and then we need to lay the pizza base in the frying pan and reduce to medium. I'm not going to add chorizo to this one. I'm going to keep it as a margarita one. And lots of cheese. I absolutely love cheese and spaghetti. I love pizza. I love most things. So our next step is to add olive oil. I'm just going to wait for the base to cook a little bit more, and then we're going to put it under the grill for about 2 minutes. Depending on your grill, this may take a little longer. That looks good. Does it taste nice? Make sure I what? It's cooking. What did you say?
Do you understand the words that are coming out from my mouth?
It cooked a little bit. Connection issues. Okay, I think this is ready to go under the grill. Hey Google, timer for 2 minutes. Hello. I think I'm gonna cook it for some more in the pan. You told me 5 minutes too late. Hey Google, very nice. It turned out good. Stop. I think I'll put it on a pizza tray. It's cooked from the bottom. Mine does look like yours from the bottom. My first pizza didn't quite go to plan. I didn't leave the dough in the frying pan for long enough. So I've learned from that and we're gonna do the second one now. I'm just going to flour the surface again. I'm going to start preheating my frying pan. High heat, gonna flour the dough and we're going to make it into a 10-inch circle. That didn't quite work. I'm gonna pop that in and then we'll reshape it, pop that on a medium heat. This time I'm just gonna check the base underneath before we start adding all the bits. The base has hardened and has started to cook really well. I'm gonna add some sauce, but not too much. Start with 2 spoons. I think I added a bit too much sauce on the first one too. I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese. Now I'm going to add the pepper to this one. So I'm going to go and put this pizza in the oven now. My first pizza is definitely done. Let's give the margarita pizza a taste. Hot. Burnt my hand.
Ow!
Yeah, I just slipped with the pizza cutter and my hand went. Om's enjoying his pizza. We mainly gave him some crust. So our chorizo one is done. Is this ready to eat? Good night, Om. Let's give this one a taste. It's good. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe for future videos. Oh, and push a bell icon. If you guys want to check out my kit, my kitchen equipment, or my tech, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you guys. And if you guys haven't seen it, you can go and check out my Show You videos. I'll leave a link. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Done? Good. Pizza's cut and eat.